Hello students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn grammar. That is the grammar from our grammar book. And the topic for today is the eighth topic. The name of the topic is one and more than one, which is also known as singular and plural. So what is this singular and plural? First, I will be telling you what is a singular form and what is the plural form. So, when a noun, that is a naming word, refers to only one person, one animal or one object, we call it a singular form. And when the noun refers to more than one person, more than one object or more than one animal, we call it a plural form. Or I can say you, if we are speaking about any one object. Okay, for example, suppose I am speaking about this pencil. I have this only one in number. So this is a pencil. What is it? Pencil. So the word pencil, it is a singular noun which shows that the pencil is one in number. But suppose if I am having these two, then what will I call them? I will never say this is my pencil. What will I say? I will call them pencils because they are more than one. The number of the pencil has increased more than one. When I will call it in the plural form. When I have any one object, I will call it in a singular form, that is a pencil. But if I have more than one object of the same type, then I will call it in the plural form. I will call it pencils. What will I do to convert the singular noun into plural form? For some nouns, I have to just add a s. Suppose now let us take an example. Here on the board you can see when the car is one in number, I will call it one car. C-A-R, car. But suppose the number of the car increases. Suppose there are three. They are three in number. Then I will call it three cars. So what will I call it? Cars. C-A-R-S, cars. So what did I do here? I just added s to this singular form and I converted it into plural form. I added s to it and I made it cars. Similarly, when I have one pen, I will call it a pen, that is P-E-N, pen. But when the number increases, when the number is more than one, I will call them pens, P-E-N-S, pens. So what did I do here? Here too I added s to the word pens. Similarly, spoon means one spoon, and if the number of spoons is more than one, I will call it spoons. Similarly for book, book becomes books. So book is one in number, and if it is more than one in number, I will call it books. So what did I do here? We add s to make it plural. So there are few nouns in English language. If we add s to it, we can convert it into plural form. But can you have a look at the other side of the board? Here you can see. When a singular noun has ch, sh, o, s, double s, x, z at the end, then we add es to make it plural. So here we saw that there were some singular words and we added just s to them and we made them into plural form. But there are some other words which have ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z at their end of the spelling, and if these letters are found at the end of these words, then to make these words or convert these words into plural form, we have to add es. Okay. For example, you can see box, B-O-X, box. So the word box is having X at its end. And X, you can see here, if we have X, then we have to add ES to make it plural. So one box, more than one becomes boxes. Similarly, one glass, and if it is more than one in number, it becomes GLASSES, glasses. Also tomato. Tomato is one in number. TOMATO. It is having O in its end, and so we will add ES to make it plural. That is TOMATOES. Tomatoes. And this is the way we make them plural. Now I will be showing you a picture and I will be explaining to you how the words are changed from singular to plural. Can you see this picture, students? Yes, the first object in red color is a car. It is only one in number, and when the number increases, we call it cars. CAR, car, becomes CARS, cars. A letter S is added to the noun car because car, which is a singular form, gets converted or becomes a plural form. The number increases. The number is more than one, so we call it a plural form. Similarly, boy becomes boys. Also, egg becomes eggs. Only a letter S is added and it gets converted into a plural form. Similarly, kite becomes kites. Also, you can see pen gets converted into pens and book becomes books. So, in all these examples, we have just added a letter S to convert the singular form of the noun into plural form. So, when it is one in number, we call it singular, and when the number is more than one, we call it a plural form. Now let us look the next picture. So you can see in this picture, as I have told you or I have explained you on the board about the words which have O, SS, SH, CH or X and Z, there is some other rule for them. So the words which have all these letters like O, SS, X, Z, CH or SH, we have to add ES to them to convert them into plural form. So one potato. So potato is the word which is having O at its end, and so we have to add ES to the word potato to make it plural. So one potato becomes 4 potatoes. Similarly, one glass becomes 3 glasses. Since the number of glass has increased, we call it glasses. ES is added to the word glass and it becomes glasses. Similarly, brush. When the number of brush increases, it becomes brushes. Also, watch becomes watches. Watch is the word having CH at its end, and so we have to add ES. Also, we have fox. Fox is having X at its end, and so we have to add ES and it becomes foxes. Similarly, the word tomato becomes tomatoes. So, these words have O, SS, SH, CH, X, O at the end of them, and so we have to add ES to make them plural. Now just have a look at this picture. So there are some nouns which when get converted into plural forms, they make changes in the vowels which are inside the word. So you can see one foot. So when it is 1 in number, we call it a foot. But when the number increases, that it becomes 2, we call it 2 feet. So what has happened here? The vowels, that is O, the vowel O in the word foot has changed into E. So what is done here? The vowels have got changed to convert the singular noun into plural noun. Similarly, the second example is an exception. There is no change in any of the vowel inside this word, but some new letters are added to it. That is one child, and when the number increases, it becomes children. Also, you can see the word goose. One goose, and when the number increases, it becomes geese. So what is done here? The vowel inside the word goose, that is double O, are changed into double E. Similarly, one woman, three women. So the vowel A is changed to E. So there are some exceptions in the English language. That is, when the noun changes from singular to plural, for some nouns we have to add S. For some nouns we have to add ES. While there are some nouns which change the vowels inside them. Also there are some nouns, what do? They just don't make any changes inside them, but they get some new letters added to them to make themselves plural. I hope all of you have understood how to change a singular noun into a plural noun. Okay?